Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for all What Women Want episodes and click the bell icon to receive all updates.
10 बार कब्र में ढूंढने के बाद भी जो चीज़ हमें नहीं मिलती, वो मम्मी को एक बार में कैसे मिल जाती है? I mean how? तेरी माँ की से लेके मदर प्रॉमिस तक, माँ हर जगह है. कभी-कभी तो टू मच हो जाती है, पर मोस्टली क्यूट ही रहती है.
Filmy Mirchi presents Dabur Amla What Women Want, co-powered by Chenny Chai.
This is Dabur Amla What Women Want. मेरा नाम है करीना कपूर खान and today we're talking about motherhood. कहने के लिए आज की मेरी guest is a mother of two. लेकिन जो भी उनके interviews देख चुके हैं, they know that she is a very unique mom. Please welcome the very charismatic Kajol who joins us to share her Dabur Amla story of strength. Hi Kajol.
Hello, hi.
Thank you. And I'm so excited that you're here.
Ooh, me too.
So let's get on with the show. Your last film, Helicopter Ela.
Right.
How much did you relate to that character and like what did you think? Are you a controlling parent?
I'm not actually. I'm not that much of a controlling parent. I actually don't believe that it is conducive to a healthy relationship. And my mother was the complete opposite of it. I mean, if you've met my mom, right? Yeah. So my mom literally gave the name rebel upbringing to me. So yeah, I was a very very differently brought up child. So no, I don't believe in a controlling at all.
And you're not controlling with Nissan, you at all.
Let me just say I strike a healthy balance.
Yeah, because as far as I would think, Kajol is obsessed with her kids.
Completely and totally and obviously, but that doesn't mean
there's a fine line.
There's a fine line between being, between giving children a grid to grow up with and between overwhelming them to the point that they can't grow.
And how involved is Ajay with the kids?
Very much so, very much so. If he had his way, would be the overwhelming presence who would, kind of completely like, what are you doing? 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, all that.
God,
very much
really?
so, very much so.
Well, I think our listeners wouldn't believe that because he comes across as so
chilled and cool. Completely a lie. It's a complete lie. There is no chill and no cool where his kids are concerned. He wants to know everything about everything.
And do you believe in this good cop, bad cop parenting?
I honestly think children, the relationships they have with their parents are pretty much like all other relationships. Start as you mean to go on.
Yeah.
So, I mean, whatever you're planning to do with your kids or however you want your relation to eventually be with your kids. I'm not saying you can't, fire them. I'm not saying that you can't correct them for, doing something wrong or, show them the right path. But yeah, you will have to start at one point. If you're going to correct them, don't wait till they're 5 years old to just say that, "Abhi beta, मैंने बोला ना 4 साल से बोल रही हूँ अभी ना 5वें साल में अभी पड़ेगी."
Yeah, exactly. And both of y'all kind of like reprimand them or will tell them off.
We're both on that same level, yeah.
Well, people generally expect you to feel guilty when women go back to work,
right.
After having your babies. So
I think it's because of the responsibility factor. I think in societies generally, the responsibility is always the mother's to bring up the child. And that's where the guilt factor comes in. And the first thing that you think of when you see a badly, कुछ बदतमीजी देखते हो तो पहली चीज दिमाग में आती है माँ ने ठीक से नहीं सिखाया क्या? So it's the first thing that comes to anybody's mind. I mean, we're not talking about a different era or anything like that. The first thing that comes to your mind is like, बदतमीजी कर रहा है, माँ ने ठीक से नहीं सिखाया, माँ ने थप्पड़ मारा होता तो ये नहीं करता आज.
Yeah. So we all know, of course, your mom has been such an inspiration to, I think, so many people because she was working and she was working, I think, even after you were born.
Yeah.
And so how did she kind of like deal with that? And did you ever get upset when she would like go to work and then come back?
Of course.
How did you deal with that time?
I did. I remember telling her, at one point that, everybody else's mother stays at home and they come to pick them up from school. And my mother is the only one who does not come to pick me up from school. And she was like, baby, I have to work. And I looked at her and I realized somewhere maybe as a child at that point of time, I stopped resenting her, honestly.
Right.
Because at that point in time, she just turned around and she was just like, baby, I have to work. I don't have a choice in the matter. If I had a choice, I would love to sit, and come and pick you up from school and whatever, but I have to work and you have to give me that. And today my son, I want to tell you the reverse of that. So my son has come up to me and he's like, Mom, why do you have to go to work? I was like, you remember playtime? Nobody stops you from playtime.
Yeah.
You go and you have fun in your playground and whatever, and mom never tells you that, listen, you can't play and whatever. So this is my playtime and you have to let me go with a nice happy face.
Of course, our listeners now know about what kind of a mom you are, but we want to know what kind of a daughter you are.
I think I'm a good daughter.
I think so.
On
I know a
certain
little
days. On certain days, I'm not that good a daughter. But I think most days, mom and me have a great relationship. My mother and me have a great relationship. She just celebrated her 76th birthday. So we all went and, you know, had this huge party for her. And my mom is one of those super cool people who has decided to wear a swimsuit for her 75th birthday.
Oh God, but that's amazing.
Yeah, and she teaches me every day about how to live my life.
So कुछ चीजें हम अपनी मॉम से सीखते हैं and और कुछ चीजें हम अपने बच्चों से भी सीखते हैं.
बिल्कुल,
I think in
बिल्कुल.
today's time we are learning everything. I think from our kids. Like Lolo is also.
Instagram तो मैंने अपनी बेटी से सीखा है.
Yeah. So what are you learning from Nisa and you?
I'm definitely picking up their habits in music. No two ways about it.
Music.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Also the
And,
selfies.
Yes. Selfies and what looks good on Instagram and what's cool on Instagram. You can't put everything up and all that.
Acha, you can't.
No, you can't. So she looks at my Instagram and she's like, you know, what is this nonsense? You know, have you seen Sonam Kapoor's Instagram? I was like, what do you mean, have you seen Sonam Kapoor's Instagram? Just look at how symmetrical everything is. Look at how aesthetic everything is. So yeah, so she gives me tips on social media. She'll talk about, you know.
The lingo?
How, yeah, very much so, of course, but I'm really bad at that. So I'm not even getting there. I'm not even trying. I'm like, just stop there only. I'll just make do with the Webster's Dictionary English.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. But my son is amazing, and like you said, you learn things from your kids all the time, and this one thing really stuck with me because I was firing Nisa for not sitting with us. There was a Mata Ki Chauki at home, and I was telling her, Nisa, come and sit with us. We are sitting here, and you know, why are you sitting on the table? She's like, Mama, I really don't want to. I said, just come and sit with us. So I just got angry. Come and sit down. So after she came and she sat and she left, and my son turned around and told me, you know, he just sat in my lap quietly, and he's like, you know, Mom, you shouldn't fire her for telling the truth.
Wow.
And he gave me it was such a, I felt like, oh my God, that was such an उल्टे हाथ का थप्पड़ अपने बच्चे ने मार दिया मुझे. हाँ, बिल्कुल. So it just felt like it was amazing, but
what
it
a
was
wonderful
amazing
advice
for him. Yeah, he gave it to me like he's 7 years old. You know, he's telling me I lie sometimes to you when you tell me to come and I don't come. मैं तो झूठ बोल लेता हूँ. But she's not telling the truth. She's not lying to you. You should not fire her for telling the truth. Like, oh
that's a big one, but what you've learned from him, I think. Yeah. So obviously now we have a very fun quiz on parenting for you, which we're going to do. So who will the kid go to, Ajay or you? Love issues.
Love
Nisa
issues.
love issues.
I think Nisa will come to me and Yug will go to Ajay. Because he's very much like, you know, oh, my dad's such a cool guy. And they discuss these guy things with them. And Nisa's really like, you know, Nisa will come to me for...
And she's probably scared of Ajay.
Yeah, she's never going to tell her father about her boyfriend.
Yeah,
or
probably
anything
her
like
father
that.
would have think,
Oh,
no, she can't be in love.
He's the kind of guy, no, he'll be standing with a shotgun. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
Oh, God. Padhai likhai.
Padhai likhai mein, I think both kids will come to me also.
Yeah, I think so, no?
Yeah.
Vacations?
Vacations pop. They will discuss 6 months beforehand.
Kahan
They will
jana
send each other WhatsApps and pictures and, you know, they'll go, look at this link, baby. This room has, this hotel has this spa and this room has this much and it has such a beautiful balcony and it has got this and it has got that. Matlab full in detail they discuss it. Like they'll discuss the food
and you have no
everything.
interest in
I
all
have
of
no
that.
interest. And I'm like, acha, theek hai, mere ko bata dena, ticket kahan pe hai, I'll check with the visas, whether the visa's done.
And we're going. Money.
Money, me.
They're discussing that with you.
Money will be discussed with me
Both
only.
the kids.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know who's controlling now. Clearly.
Not at all. Like I told you, it's a balance.
So which is that one film of yours that the kids absolutely loved and hated?
They hated We Are Family.
They hated it.
Hated it. I want
Thanks.
to tell you that, really sad.
No, but it's
Yeah.
fine.
But they hated it because, you know, I get sick and I die in the
Yeah.
end. So my daughter has like come out and she's like, I can't believe that you made me go through this film. I can't believe that you took me for this film. My son was too young.
So it
My
was
son
only
not
because
there.
you died in the end.
Yeah, but she was like, she has howled throughout the film. She hated she's like, I can't be, she was traumatized.
And of course, one film of Ajay's that they loved and hated.
Ajay's film, I think they've loved all his films. And I don't think they've hated anything of his films. He's
But
the father.
why?
He's like, you know, he's like, every trial is kept. all the kids go for every film.
But no, if
and
they
all
didn't
that.
like a film, they can say that okay.
Yeah, but they liked all his films.
One superpower you wish you had as a mother.
One superpower. I'm fine. The powers that I have enough are enough.
You're anyway clearly calling the shots.
Exactly. I am, and I'm fine. I am superwoman as I am, and I don't need anything extra.
Very wise parting words from none other than Kajal. Thank you so much, because I know that it's an effort for you to come on any show. It's an absolute pleasure, because I know you don't like going on all these.
But for you,
Yes.
anything.
But thank you so much. It's been wonderful. Thank you. Hi guys, hope you're liking my show. अगर आपको मुझसे कोई बात बोलनी हो तो please comment below.